The competitive gap in 2026 isn't defined by overhead reduction. It's defined by innovation velocity, which is the foundation of the new outsourcing model. For years, the business world saw outsourcing as a defensive move, a way to cut overhead. But the most successful leaders today see it as an offensive strategy for innovation. Efficiency is no longer just about the bottom line. It's about building a partnership that accelerates your roadmap. Traditional vendor models have hit a utility ceiling. The new standard is the embedded workforce. This is the shift from a service provider to an extended bench. An elite team that lives in your Slack and breathes your culture, designed specifically to push your boundaries. These aren't external contractors, they are synchronized partners who build the automation and the IP that stay inside your company's ecosystem. This turns a monthly operational expense into long-term technical equity. You aren't just buying hours, you're buying a co-development engine for your proprietary future. The companies that win in 2026 aren't the ones with the lowest overhead. They're the ones who aren't afraid to partner because they know it's the only way to truly expand their horizons. They understand that a global integrated workforce doesn't just fill a gap, it creates a new level of creative and resilient capacity that was previously out of reach. Stop looking for a vendor. Start building the integrated workforce that makes your success inevitable.